How to hide mutual friends on Facebook app. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide mutual friend list on your Facebook app. So let's get started. First, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, go to the menu section on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now, just scroll down. Now here under audience and visibility, tap on how people find you and contact you. Now here the trick is you'll need to hide your entire friend list to hide your mutual friends. So to do that, just go to your, you can see your friend list option right there. Tap on it and just hide it. Select only me. And after you do that, no one can see your friends list. So it's basically that simple, guys. That is how you can hide your mutual friends and friend list on your Facebook app. And that is all for the video. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.